Hello, Panchmatud Ghosh is delighted to introduce you with Mr. Kamlesh Sharma, a son of the soil and an emerging entrepreneur. Born and educated in Karoli, Mr. Kamlesh Sharma started his own small venture when he was in Karoli with the name of Pace Bureau. But after a little time, he left Karoli and moved to Mumbai, and there he got a certificate course from CDEC. He was lucky enough to got selected in the campus interview, got a chance to work with Silverline Technologies as software engineer. From here, Kamlesh got another chance to work with another MNC, a bigger one, Professional Access, and he worked in that company for 10 years as project manager and senior project manager. This ample amount of experience gave him a chance to work with a multinational giant, Gensar Technologies. In Gensar Technologies as Director, Applications and Digital Solutions. This company made him the Director of Latin American countries, and he traveled to all the Latin American countries, South American countries, Caribbean countries and the Middle East. Thus, he got ample amount of experience working in all over the world. From here, on the advice of a friend, he started his own venture and he decided to become entrepreneur. He launched two companies. One is a chain of hotels with the name of Siddhi Vinayak, and another is DigiSprint Solutions. Now, listen to the success story of Kamlesh Sharma in his own words. Welcome to our show on Panchmatud Ghosh.
Thank you, Dujji.
So you are a young entrepreneur. You were born in Karoli, and your journey is stellar. So how was it journey?
Thanks for asking, and it's really great to talk. We are talking now about my journey, and when I started from Karoli, my first venture was Pace Bureau Computer Center. Then I left Karoli in 2000. 2000 Jan, I joined CDEC. CDEC was a course, 6 months course in Mumbai. And during the course only I got a placement in Silverline Software Technology. It was a big company, one of the biggest company during that time. It was like TCS and Infosys and the Silverline. It was my dream job. Yes. And after Silverline, I worked in Silverline for 3 years. And I joined a US-based company called NetExert. Yes. I was there for almost 2 years. And then I left NetExert and I joined GTLPA. And after that I joined Professional Access. Exactly I don't know the date, but yeah, I joined Professional Access. I had a good time with the Professional Access. It was a great company. And I learned a lot in Professional Access. It was a US-based company. Yes. And during the same time, I moved to Gensar Technology. Gensar Technology is Pune-based company. It's an RPG group company. Okay. It's privately, publicly limited company. And we have offices, multinational company. We have offices in multi countries. Okay. And I was director of Latin America.
Okay. Latin American countries.
I was director. I was heading the Latin American countries. Okay. And I worked there for almost 4 years, 4 to 5 years. Yes. And in 2019, in November 2019, I thought of starting my own company. Okay. And fortunately, I got a chance, and my first company, IT company, we started in 2019. November 2019, we registered our company, and we started. The company has started functioning in January. Since then, it's a company, and parallelly I started one more startup. It's Siddhi Vinayak Hotels and Heights Private Limited, and one of the hotel which we have is in Karoli, because Karoli is
about to ask you that question. Sir, tell me in detail about that IT company, that DigiSprint solution, I think.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So DigiSprint Solution is a multinational company,
Yes.
and we have offices, sales offices in multiple nations, multiple countries, and we have development centers in India.
Yes.
So the main purpose of that company is because we have skills in India,
Yes.
which every software company does.
Yes.
So skills in India, and we are utilizing those skills and developing e-commerce solutions for foreign retailers, our top retailers, which is.
So long as a guy or a youngster is here in Karoli, he doesn't perform well. But as soon as he leaves the city and goes outside, as you went, he discovers his talent and become a very fine professional or a startling entrepreneur. So, what is the case? Actually, what happens when a guy from Karoli leaves the city and goes outside and discovers his talent? What happens?
So the main problem, as you know, the talent can come out only if you have opportunity.
Okay.
So opportunities are very less in Karoli, unfortunately, because it's a small city. And definitely the people here are doing good work in their own areas. But like IT, there's very less opportunity here.
Yes, yes.
So when I went to Mumbai, it was a big place,
Yes.
and I started seeing people. I got an opportunity to work with the Silverline Software Technology, and of course then I went to US. That was the biggest
Big
market, and I could find good opportunities there.
Yes, yes, yes.
And once we have opportunity, you know, the Karolian has an inbuilt talent. So talent can shine once you have
So
opportunity.
will your company, that IT company or these hotels, provide an opportunity for the youngsters in Karoli to discover their talent and become one like you?
Yes, that's the target. That's my target for Karolians. So I wanted to give, you know, the hotel industry is also a good industry.
Yes.
At this point of time in Karoli Hotel, we are having 35 people are working here.
Okay, okay, okay.
And when I'm talking about 20 hotels means
You are planning to launch 20 hotels?
20 hotels.
Okay,
And
okay.
in
which
future,
cities?
in future,
Yeah,
I'm not committing anything today,
Okay.
but definitely in future. I'm
You have
planning-
ambitious plans.
It's ambitious plan.
Okay.
And of course, Karolian and the people from here will get chance to work there.
Okay.
So employment get generated.
That's
Our
good.
main problem in Karoli is people come here and do the politics, but they don't invest here.
Yeah, yeah.
And if you will not invest in a company, in a city, the city will not grow.
Okay.
How the city will grow if there is no opportunities to work?
Actually, you are raising vital points rather. So my good wishes are with you. May God, Lord Madan Mohan, help you in all your ventures.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving me time.
Thank you. Do you want